Hey guys, Andrew here. Why is everything so bright? Oh yeah, stupid me, I didn't set the white balance correctly. Anyway, let's put the knife here and let's make a sandwich of your dreams. The sandwich that is so simple yet so perfectly balanced that I want to cry while eating it. What are we waiting for? Hope you're doing well and let's get started. Okay, first off, let's cut up some ham. It could be turkey ham, pork ham, human ham if you're a cannibal. Basically every ham is perfect for the sandwich. Cut up some slices to fit in your sandwich. Then we will slice some cheese. Now I would suggest using cheddar cheese because it's awesome, but you can use other cheese like American or Monterey Jack. Just don't use Parmesan or mozzarella, okay? Okay? Good. Now cut some slices of tomato. I used small plum tomatoes because they taste better. Once you've done cutting the ketchup fruit, bring out some dill pickles. Cut them up into oval disc shaped slices. And lastly, the iceberg lettuce. Don't you dare to use other lettuce than the iceberg lettuce. These crunchy motherfuckers are perfect. Shred the lettuce to your liking. I like it a little girthy. And your prep work is done. Now all that's left is sauce and the bread. Also, if you like tea or coffee, don't forget to do that in the meantime. For the bread, use some sort of sandwich bread and don't forget to toast it in a toaster. Gordon Ramsay will be mad. I used plain loaf bread. Loaf bread makes me relive my childhood as Mr. Bean. Now that the bread is toasted, it's time to assemble. First, on the bottom slice, spread out unhealthy amount of mayonnaise, and on the top slice, add a healthy amount of Dijon mustard. Then, to the bottom slice, add your sliced ham. On top of the ham, add in your sliced cheddar cheese. If you like, you can melt it with a torch. Then place your beautiful tomatoes. On the top slice, put on your pickle slices, and on the bottom slice, add in a whole bunch of shredded iceberg lettuce. Now crown the bottom slice with the top slice, and you're done. That's how you make simply the best club sandwich ever. Also, don't forget your tea or coffee or other beverage. Now, of course, all that's left to do is a cross section. And look at that beauty. Gosh darn it, that is tasty. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this week's video. If you found it helpful or you want more videos like this, please smash the like button. That's it. Just smash the like button. And that's it. Alright guys, thanks again for watching and see you on the next one. Peace!